Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to change email address on Fedex account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away. First of all, launch Open a web browser of your preference. Type in fedex.com in the search box and search. Also make sure to log into your fedex.com account by entering your credentials correct. Once you are logged into your account, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your name. Click on View Profile from the expanded menu. Under My Profile tab, click on Contact Information. Inside the Contact Information tab, click on Edit right next to contact name and address. Now, it will show you your contact name and address information in the text boxes. Scroll down to the email option and erase your current email. Type in the new email you'd like to change to and type in your password for your account in the next field to verify yourself. Now click Save Changes and you will be able to change your email address. So that's how you can easily change your email on Fedex in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.